Hey, it's Chris Allingham with the Virtual Weber Bullet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a modification to your Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker charcoal grate to turn it into a used charcoal sifter. This is a modification that is documented on the website at the charcoal grate modification page. I'll put a link to that page up on the screen and in the description of this video. There are many other charcoal grate modifications on that page you may want to check out. In fact, there are other versions of what I'm about to show you here that are more permanent and that involve welding and other skills, but we're going to do it today using basically a stainless steel zip tie. I special ordered these from Home Depot. They're available also on Amazon, but sometimes at very high prices or in very high quantities. This is a package of 10 stainless steel ties, and they are essentially a metal version of a plastic zip tie, if you've ever seen those and used those before. They are stainless steel. They will last a long time. However, when you put any kind of metal in contact with burning charcoal, at those temperatures, no metal is going to last forever. You know that from what happens to your charcoal grate over time. Any kind of a piece of wire or a tie like this that you attempt to attach your charcoal chamber to your charcoal grate, eventually it's going to let loose. But stainless gives you a pretty good chance to keep it working for a long time, and that's what I'm choosing to use today. Let me show you how you do it. This modification really couldn't be easier to do. You basically place the charcoal chamber on top of the cooking grate and you tie it together with some wire or some of these stainless steel zip ties. I'm going to tie it together in 3 locations, starting in this spot. And now, having that good and tight, I'm going to snip off the excess. Now I think I'll do this in 2 other spots, so I'll have 3 ties. You could do 4 if you want, but I'm going to do 3. And here's the finished product. I've got the charcoal chamber securely attached to the charcoal grate. And here it is in action, sifting out some used charcoal. You want to make sure to do this only when the charcoal is stone cold. You want to keep used charcoal nice and dry, so put it in a dedicated paper charcoal bag that you got left over from some new charcoal, or put it in a plastic Ziploc bag. Once again, make sure the charcoal is stone cold before storing. Now when it comes time to use your previously burned charcoal, if you're going to light it in a chimney starter, don't put it in the bottom of the chimney. The small pieces tend to jam together, you get poor airflow, and it's hard to light. Better to put a bed of brand new charcoal in the bottom of the chimney starter than put your previously used charcoal on top, light it off, and it'll light easily. Well, that's it for now. I hope you found this video useful. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you very much. Please like and subscribe to my videos. It helps other people find them. Until next time, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.